Good afternoon, this is Elliot here at Das Trucks with another one of our walk around videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date on all of our available inventory as we list it. Our phone number and website are going to be down in the description. Today we got a 2021 Ford E-350 Super Duty with a 16-foot box and a ramp. Nice set of Firestone tires on here. A lot of tread left on these. Box has been repainted, as well as the wheels. Nice Bridgestone tires here on the rear. A lot of tread left on these as well. This is a dual rear wheel, 176-inch wheelbase. Ramp on the back as well as a hitch. Box is in great condition. A few cosmetic marks here. Wood's in good condition as well. Now taking a look at the interior here. This truck, like all of our trucks, has been thoroughly detailed inside and out. Seats are in great condition on this truck. No rips or tears. Nice clean center console here. Nice radio, heat and AC functioning great. This particular truck has 105,758 miles. One of the nice new digital dashes. As you can see, no lights on. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. These newer Fords come equipped with a 7.3-liter V8 engine, coupled with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Filters and fluids have all been replaced, and as you can see, the truck's been detailed under the hood as well. This truck is looking and running great and is ready to get to work. And there you have it, a 2021 Ford E-350 Super Duty with a 16-foot box, 7.3-liter V8 engine with a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.